Hello everyone, welcome to the WordPress class 5. Today we are going to learn about the WordPress plugins, and this is very important class if you are learning the plugins for the first time. I hope you will stay till the end. Well, what's about the WordPress plugins? The plugins actually a group of functions that can be added to a WordPress site. That means which are not available in by default here. So if you want to add something like that image slider or any SEO plugin, so we can actually use the WordPress plugins. We'll use five plugins today, one by one. So actually, you will know about more about those plugins. Actually, there are many reasons for the plugins like that. The first one is the WPS hide logging, which is for the security purpose. The second one is the used SEO for the SEO purpose. The third one is the Updraft Plus backup or restore, which is for actually backup or maintenance of your website. And the fourth one is the contact forms for like that. If you want to build a form in your contact page, and the last one, which is actually for the Facebook like box. That means if you want your visitor can like your Facebook page from your website, then it is very useful plugin for that. Okay, so let's start with the introduction and the plugins. WordPress plugins are basically written in PHP because we know that actually WordPress is written in PHP. So the plugin should be written in PHP if you want to create any WordPress plugin ourselves. And now for the first time, how we can actually find the plugins and installation. So you can go this link plugins add new here from this plugins add new, and you can see here there is a screen a list of plugins already there. There are many ways to upload the WordPress plugin or install here. The first one is the just searching for the directory. For example, the first one I have listed here, WPS hide login. I want to search this in the directory, so I'm just writing here WPS hide login. This for the security reasons. So you can see it is listed already here. So you can just click on the install now and it will be installed. And there are other way if you want to install from your PC or you have downloaded in other way, you can also upload it the manually. So I have just doing the manually. So like that, browse, and you have a plugins folder because I have already shared the class 5 in the group, so you can see. And I'm just selecting this one, WPS hide login. Okay, and just install here. Okay, it's installed, and now I'm activating the plugin. It's very similar to our themes. The we have to first install themes, then activate, and the similar way we can also activate the plugins. Okay, so it is activated, but there is no clue actually how we can got the plugin here because there should be a menu in the left sidebar. So I have written something here about this. If you don't find anything in the left menu, that means there is nothing like the WPS hide menu, you should go there, the settings menu. But in the settings menu, you cannot see anything like the WPS hide login. So we can just go to the general here. Well, now scroll down. Well, you can see this is the login URL. Well, what is the purpose of this plugin actually? I already said that for the security reason. So how we can use that? You can know that already the WP admin is for the admin panel. So if you want to log in or access our WordPress admin, we can just type the WP-admin. But this is the security lackings also because anyone actually can know actually what is the admin panel URL. Just type the WP-admin and then you can actually try to log in your admin panel. So we want just to hide this WP-admin to other any other URL. For example, just there is a suggestion that it should be login. I'm not using the login. I'm just using this one, pyroom. So which is actually unpredictable or something exceptional. That means the hacker cannot actually imagine that, or it's not actually a mostly common used word like the pyroom. So I'm just changing this localhost pyro. Okay, now our admin panel URL is changed to the localhost slash mycms slash pyrom, not the WP admin. So how can actually we check that it is working? Well, I'm just opening other browser and I will try this one, localhost slash WP admin. So you can see now we cannot access this WP admin directly. Just this shown that this has been disabled. So what we can actually do here, just by room. Sorry. Now the Pyom actually the admin panel, so you can actually see the login screen here. So this is actually hiding the original URL of the WordPress and just showing the one we have set in the our login URL. So this is the purpose of this plugin. So this simple plugin, but the security issue will be solved in the most of the time if you are using this plugin. Okay, and now I'm going for the second one, which is the used SEO, which is the most popular for the SEO purpose. So I'm just installing again here plugins, add new, and you can also type here like before, just used SEO, used SEO, and yeah, you can see you can just install from here, but I'm doing from the manual again from the upload option. Just uploading because I am using the manual because for the internet, if your internet is not very fast, actually it will take time. So I'm just using the manual one and I'm just uploading this one WordPress SEO. I have already downloaded here and install now. Okay, and it is installed. Just activating the plugin. Okay, done. And you can see there is already a menu for the SEO, the new plugin. The menu appeared here, but we will not do anything here. Just need to work on our post. For example, we have a post. So actually, how we can use the plugin for the used. So I'm just editing this one, hello world, and for example, we have an article like that. We want to write about the advantages of WordPress and I'm just editing here, just clicking it back. Okay, and this is the article I just we are going to write here, and you can see in the below there is a used SEO, which actually will indicate us how our article is, whether it is SEO friendly or not. The score here you can see, but I will show you here actually one by one. So this is the advantages of WordPress. This is our main keyword of the article. So you can write that welcome to advantages. It's just a text for actually testing WordPress. So this is our main keyword. Okay. Now I'm just copying this in demo text here. Well, and you can just copy paste. You can copy this. It make larger. Okay, and now scroll down and you see something here. So there you can see there is no focus keyword set for the page. So we have just a title, advantages of WordPress, some description, but we don't have any search keyword or the keyword actually we want to focus. So we can actually focus like that, advantages of, sorry, this should be advantages of WordPress. Okay. The focus keyword contained a stop word, so you should know about this stop word using this article. You can read more details here. and you can see the keyword density is actually just 0.4%, which is very low. We should increase that. So what we can do actually, we can copy this keyword advantages of WordPress or here in our description. Let the density actually increase. Actually, I'm writing the demo text, but when you will write the real article, so you should actually use the main keyword at least 2.5%, which is standard. So now you can see the keyword density is 1.2%, which is good now. So you can see the green signal here. And we can also see the other suggestion whether actually our article is good here. The text contains 256 words, so which is slightly below the recommended minimum of 300 words. So we can actually increase our text so that actually it minimum should be more than 300 words. Now you can see here. So the text contains 329 words, so it's now good. Well, and we should increase something better for, okay, and no meta description has been specified, so we can actually edit the meta description here. Edit snippet, you can see this is the SEO title, this is the slab. We have to use the keyword again here, so advantages of WordPress. Okay, so we're using this keyword, and we can also include some other just demo text here. Okay, so you can see now it's fine, and finally you can see here there is a green, that means the icon now turns into the green signal. That means our SEO is now good, very good here. So you can see the SEO is good, so we can update it. Well, so the use actually using some technique for the SEO. So you can get the suggestion from here. Actually, what should we change here? Like that, how many times we should use the keyword, and how we can use the meta. So everything here. This is the meta. Meta actually how it appears in our search engine. For example, you search for anything in the Google like that. You would just search the advantages of WordPress and how actually to look in the WordPress, sorry, in the Google. So you can see this is the title and this should be the description, but this should be much longer. I'm just writing as a demo, so it is short. And also you can use this keyword here. And there's another thing. For example, you are just using any media here. So you are just uploading any media. For example, I'm just uploading this image here. Okay, when you are uploading in media, just try to use this keyword at least one time. For example, our keyword is advantages of WordPress, and it should be separated by hyphen, and can use this one. Well, so you can actually use some other suggestion here like that. No link appear in the page, so you can use the some other links, and the meta description should be under 120 characters. However, 156 are available, so you can actually uh, meet the maximum character here. So this mainly actually about the used SEO. So used actually suggesting us what we should do and how keyword we can select and how many times we can use there. So everything we can get the suggestion from the used, and it is the for very good for your actual article and the SEO improvement of your website. Well, so I'm going for the third one, which is for the maintenance or backup plugin after plus. So I'm just installing again another plugin set new. Well, I'm just updating this one. Well, and go for again plugins add new, and you can search again like before. I'm just not searching here. I'm just uploading from my PC, which is the class 5, and the plugin folder is the updraft plus, and install now. Well, it's taking some moments here. Well, it's installed and I'm just activating this one. Okay, now you can see there is no menu for the Updraft Plus, so you can go for the settings and Updraft Plus backup. Click on here, and there are some options: the backup now, restore, clone. So I'm just taking a backup. So include the database, everything, and backup now. Okay, now it will take some backup. Well, it's preparing a backup for the current website. Well, backup for actually taking the backup of your website. For example, you delete something or your post is deleted and you want to back up the old articles, so you can just restore this from the backup folder. And there is a date also. That means actually in which time actually the backup has taken. So you can actually recognize actually of what backup you should use for the restore. Okay, and it is already backed up. Now I'll restore, but before that, I'm just doing something so that actually we can understand whether it is working or not. I'm just deleting this one, just make it trash. But trash actually not deleting, it is just temporary deleting. So I'm deleting the permanently. I'm going to the trash and delete it permanently. Okay, so there is no post. My post has been deleted. Now let's go back to the backup plugins and restore now. So in the restore, you can see there is already backup that we have already taken in this time. So I'm just restoring here, and you can select everything. That means whether you are want to backup only plugins or themes or everything in your website. So you can just restore everything and click on the restore. Okay, and successfully restored, I think. Okay, so let's go back to the all post. I think it is not restored yet here. So let me go for the again. Well, sorry, I have forgotten to restore again. Actually, there is some suggestion. The backup archive files have been successfully processed. That means the it is ready. Now we can just restore again. Restore. Okay, now I think it should restore now. But we have lost. Well, please don't cancel in this moment because it will actually make some error if you are actually go back or go to the another menu. Just let it to finish. Okay, finally everything done. So we can see here. Now go back to the post again, the all post. Well, now we can see the old article we have deleted already. Now returns back in our post. So it's working fine. So now I'm going with the contact form, the fourth one. I have already said it is actually using for the contact form in our contact us page. So go for again add new plugins, add new, and click on the upload plugin and upload this one. This is the contact forms builder and install now. So it's installing and just activating again. Well, it's activated. Now we can see there's a form menu. Just go to this option. So we can add the new form, add new, and you can give some name. Like that, our form name is the contact form, and there is some field. First one should be your name, and it is text field. Required means it should be required. No one can blank it. No one can keep the blank the field. So user must fill this field. And the second one can be email. Can be also yes, and we can use this the email option. That means the email should be the email and not the only text. And finally, we can add another field which can be like that message. Or we can use the text area because it should be a larger area to write message. And finally, there should be a submit button, so we can just type it here the send and creating this form. Well, and the form is created now, successfully created, and there are three fields: your name, email, and message. It's simple, and there is a shortcut, so it's important. Shortcut are actually basically to display something in our website in the front end. So if you want to use this in the contact page, we should copy this one. Control C. Okay, I'm using our copy, and I'm going to the pages, all pages. So there is a sample page. I can just use this, or I can create a new page here like that. Contact us, and I can just paste this one. The shortcut I have already copied, and after paste it, you can see there is an icon here, and just publish this one. Okay, after publishing, just view the page in the new tab. Well, you can see just a form here, your name, email, and message. And after sending, it will be sent to the email of the admin. That means the email actually you set in your profile. So what email you have set, you can check in here, user your profile. So you can see. So this is your admin email. So you can change here if you want to use the another one, or other. Actually, it will be used to send the message to your email here. Okay, so this is the contact form, and finally, we're going to the use the Facebook plugin. That is the Facebook like box. So go back to that plugins, add new, and uploading again Facebook like box and install now and activating this one. Okay, and now you can see there is a menu in the left bar at the end, Facebook like box. Just click on there, and if you want to add a like box, just click on the add like box. And there's something, the page URL. For example, we want to show actually our page, Facebook page of your business or website. I'm just using the Facebook page of the Facebook page. So their official page of the Facebook, and the title like that. Find us on Facebook, and there's some width or height you can actually set here, the size of the box, and finally just save the changes. Okay, and it is created. Now you can see there is a shortcut here again, and you can copy this shortcut, and like that you want to use in the contact page. So I'm just going to the pages, and editing this one and just paste after this form and update here. So just refresh your contact us page. Now you will see a like box. Yes, so this is the like box. So now you can see there is a like box here, actually the Facebook page. So you can like from here if you want. That means the visitor actually can like your page from the website. Also, you can show it's a sidebar if your site has a some sidebar. I think in this template there is no sidebar. So let me check here quickly. I'm just doing this one. Well, there is a sidebar. Now, I'll show the like box in the sidebar, not any page or post. So what we can do, just go to the appearance widget. And you can see there is a new widget here, Facebook like box. Just drag here and drop in the sidebar. Not the below, just you can make in the top. Okay. And finally, just save this one. Okay, I'm refreshing the page again. Okay, now you can see the light box now in the sidebar. So our sidebar here and the light box at the top of the sidebar. Well, so this how actually can use the Facebook Lightbox. So there are many plugins, actually thousand tons of plugin you can use with the WordPress, but you should actually find the best one for your purpose. I have already said important things. When you are choosing a plugin, what should be considered? Like the first two things, the one is the rating and the number of active downloads. So I am just showing here, just going to add new. For example, this is a plugin and it has some rating like that 4.5 almost, and the active downloads is 1 million active installs. So actually you can trust this plugin easily. So you can use this one, and like this one is almost 4.5. The active downloads is almost 2 million near. So actually you can check this one how many installs, the active install and the rating. So depending on this rating and install, actually you can actually select which plugin should be trusted and you can use without any doubt. Well, so this is about today's class. I hope you have understood everything about the plugins, and who have missed the class, please try to do the backup in other batch if the class already not done in the other batch. So take care. Goodbye.